Today we're stepping inside one of the most jaw-dropping motorcoaches ever built, the 2026 Prevost Featherlite Durango. This isn't an RV. This is a rolling 5-star penthouse on a commercial-grade chassis with the craftsmanship of a yacht and the amenities of a luxury hotel. At an eye-watering $3.24 million, it's one of the most expensive and exclusive motorhomes in the world, and for good reason. From the polished stainless exterior to the hand-stitched leather inside, every inch is a statement of power, taste, and engineering. If you've ever wondered what a multi-million-dollar home on wheels looks like, you're about to find out. As you approach the Durango, you notice first its sheer presence. Built on a Prevost XLII shell, it stretches almost 45 feet with a tall, sleek profile and signature stainless fluting. The paintwork is a custom Featherlite creation, deep metallic layers with ghosted graphics and hand-applied clear coat that looks wet even in the shade. LED accent lights trace the body lines at night, making it glow like a private jet on the tarmac. Huge panoramic windows are flush-mounted and tinted for privacy. And private jet, a digital glass cockpit with dual touchscreens, full-color camera views of every side of the coach, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and collision mitigation technology. It's all here. The dash sweeps elegantly around you with backlit Featherlite branding, stainless switchgear, and a panoramic windshield that gives you a command view of the road. And when you're parked, those chairs swivel to become part of the salon, turning the cockpit into living space. Move further inside and the salon opens up like a luxury apartment. With the slides extended, you get a full 500 square feet of living area. The floors are heated porcelain tile laid in intricate patterns. The ceiling features a backlit sculpted panel with fiber optic starlights. A giant 65-inch 4K OLED television rises silently from a cabinet opposite a custom sectional sofa upholstered in buttery Italian leather. Next to it, a pair of recliners with power footrests and hidden cup warmers invite you to sink in and relax. All lighting is dimmable. Scenes are programmed into the Crestron control system and can be activated from a touch panel or your phone. The galley is pure super-yacht. Quartz countertops with waterfall edges, a full-size Sub-Zero refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, dishwasher drawer, and a wine chiller built into the island. Soft-close drawers line in a bus. It's a suite. A king-size bed with a luxury mattress and hidden storage underneath faces a built-in entertainment wall with another 55-inch screen. Nightstands are integrated into the cabinetry, each with wireless charging pads. The ceiling above the bed has a custom panel with indirect lighting for a soft glow. Acoustic insulation keeps road noise out so you sleep like you're in a high-end hotel, not on the highway. A full-height wardrobe with cedar lining and LED lighting holds your clothes, and drawers beneath are felt-lined for watches and jewelry. Then goes so special. Underneath the polished stainless shell is a commercial-grade Prevost XLII chassis built to run millions of miles with the same reliability as a Motorcoach fleet. A 15-liter diesel engine mated to an Allison automatic transmission delivers effortless torque. Coupled with steerable tag axles, full air suspension, and automatic leveling, the ride is serene even on uneven highways. Drivers describe it as piloting a cloud-smooth private bus rather than a motorhome. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, collision mitigation radar, and a full 360-degree camera sweep surround you with confidence. Electrical and off-grid power are equally impressive. The Durango carries a massive lithium-ion battery bank with an integrated management system, feeding a full residential inverter and redundant shore power hookups. An automatic 20 kilowatts diesel generator on a slide-out tray ensures quiet backup power, and roof-mounted solar panels top up the batteries whenever you're parked. That means you can run the coach's climate control, entertainment, and appliances without plugging in for days. The plumbing system uses large capacity fresh, gray, and black tanks, with heated lines and electronic monitoring so you always know you're evenly. All of this is tied into a Crestron smart coach system that also controls lighting, shades, entertainment, security cameras, and even awnings. You can adjust it all from a touchscreen panel at the entry, the bed, or from an app on your phone. Enter storage lockers. They're a lifestyle hub. One bay houses a full slide-out freezer for long trips. Another holds a complete tool chest and workbench. The tailgating bay includes a grill, refrigerator, sink, and prep space. Each compartment is lined in stainless, lighted automatically, and weather-sealed. Air-powered doors open and close smoothly with one tap at the push of a button. Slides extend silently. The shades lower in unison and the lights come up in a soft welcome glow. The generator and inverter switch over automatically so you never lose power. You wake up to heated floors and a panoramic view through those huge windows. Make coffee in a real kitchen and shower in a space that feels like a luxury apartment. At night you park at a resort or in the middle of the desert, close the door, and your world is completely self-contained. Imagine waking up in the middle of a national park, the huge panoramic windows framing mountains and pine trees, while the floor under your feet is warm from the hydronic heating. You make coffee at a quartz counter, hit a button on the touchscreen, and the awnings extend automatically as the outdoor lounge slides out. Outside you have built-in speakers, television, and a stainless steel grill waiting for breakfast. This isn't camping, it's a self-contained luxury residence on wheels, built on the same platform as high-end touring coaches. Driving days are equally stress-free, daylight to soft evening glow. The big OLED screen lifts out for a movie night. Guests retreat to their own suites with real mattresses, wardrobes, and privacy doors. The primary bath feels like a boutique hotel with a rainfall shed luxury bus rather than an RV. The huge storage bays open smoothly on air struts. Slide-outs extend to create an apartment-sized living area. Integrated cameras and sensors protect the coach when parked, and an app notifies you of anything unusual. In use, the Durango allows